At last, we meet for the first time, for the last time. Have you ever been combing the desert when you get a call that you need to replace a shock absorber on your HT431 full height turnstile? Yeah, me neither. But if you happen to get that call, watching this video will show you how. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. To begin, we're going to want to remove this top cover to gain clear access to the shock absorber. We're going to turn power off, which is going to be our incoming power from the facility, and then we're going to disconnect our solenoids, remove our micro Schwartz activator, and the two top plate screws, and lift the plate off, and we've got clear access to our plunger. Now these are calibrated from the manufacturer. As far as the distance and how much it activates or deactivates, we're going to just take a piece of tape and line it up right on the back side of this nut so we have the right amount of thread count. Using a large wrench, we'll loosen these nuts. Nut 1 and nut 2. The silver nut, once it's been broke, can be removed, and the plunger will come right out. Now for the sake of a new plunger, we want to make sure that the thread count is very similar. All right, holding that steady, we'll slide this into the housing and start tightening the large silver nut. As this becomes tight, it's actually going to be activating the plunger, and I'm just holding this steady so it doesn't spin. Again, the reason why you would replace a plunger is if the turnstile is spinning fairly quickly and it doesn't have any kind of speed control to slow it down. That would be a sign that the plunger needs to be replaced. So with that in, we'll just give it one good tighten. All right. Once you install your new plunger, you're going to want to reassemble the unit and test for operation. You want the shock absorber to slow down the speed of the roto as it rotates. If you need to increase or make any adjustments to the shock absorber, you want to do it in small increments. There is a small Allen key head, and when you loosen that, you can turn the knob in small increment adjustments from 1/2 to 1 to 1.5, all the way up to 9. But if it's matched up with what the manufacturer installed and you installed it correctly, it should be set. If you need on-site service from one of our turnstile specialists, please contact our service department. If you feel like your turnstile is beyond repair, check out the link in the description for a list of the full height turnstiles that are typically in stock at Avant-Garde. Hopefully you found this information useful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have questions or suggestions, Please feel free to leave those in the comments below, and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning into the Turnstile, guys, and we'll see you next time.